Test 1. Here I'm checking whether tree objects are distributed evenly across the landscape. Test 2. Here I'm checking whether plant or water objects are distributed evenly across the landscape. Test 3. An inventory screen can be seen when the I button is held down. Test 4. The plant or water objects are moved to the player inventory when walked over. Test 5. The score is displayed on the player user interface. Test 6. Here I'm checking whether the score increases every time a player collects a plant or water object.